Embouchure formation and placement on the lip plate are the foundations of efficient tone production and pitch control. The shape of the embouchure should be as close to the natural lip position as possible, where the dry outside surface and the wet, smooth inside surface meet is called the vermilion line. And when flautists form an embouchure correctly, the vermilion line is visible on both lips. For a conscious and focused airstream that produces a clear resonant tone, the air should only touch the inside of the lips. Contact with the rough exterior lip surface causes the air to spray, creates surface noise, and wastes air. With the mouth in a normal closed position, pronounce the syllable pew to keep the air in contact with the inside of the lips, which will actually turn inside out a bit in this position. Players should form the top and bottom lips so that they are the same thickness, parallel, and symmetrical. If the top lip is smaller than the bottom lip, turn it out more to equal the size of the lower lip. Lips that are too pursed or corners too tight will distort the natural lip shape. A pouty embouchure with lip corners turned downward avoids too much tension in the corners of the mouth, but the desire to maintain this position can often be as inflexible as a tight embouchure. If the corners are relaxed, the lower lip will be relaxed as well, without pouting. To provide pitch correction, the lower lip should be placed on the lip plate so that it covers approximately a quarter to a third of the embouchure hole. Most players form the aperture in the center on the inside surface of the lips, but others play off-center. The shape should be a single elliptical opening. Players with teardrop lip shapes must close off one side of the lips or the other, whichever is the most comfortable, to avoid a double aperture. Most flautists set the lip plate under the lower lip, which is inefficient. To split the air column in half, I recommend that flautists place the flute on, not under, the lower lip to raise the strike edge and divide the airstream evenly. Players should position the nearest edge of the embouchure hole about a quarter inch below the aperture, with that edge buried into the lower lip with slight left hand pressure. This ensures sufficient coverage of the embouchure hole to maintain a pitch level that is not too sharp.